how to use the most perfect formula for creating offers on your wholesale deals and appointments. Let's get into it. Hey guys, Zach and Flip with Rick here. I'm going to teach you guys the most used and popular formula. It's the best one that we have ever gotten on how to make the best offers possible. Now, we're going to use this formula. You probably have heard it before, but I'm going to break it down even further. We're going to find the MAO, which is the maximal allowable offer on our properties. So let's break this down really quickly. So if you're new into real estate wholesaling, I'm Zach Ginn, I'm 20. I made over 6 figures in high school real estate wholesaling, and I'm here to teach you guys how to become a complete real estate investor. So in this video, I want to show you guys, especially for the newer guys or maybe the younger guys, how to actually create your offers, because it was something very confusing to me. So the first thing we need to do is we need to understand what the after repair value is. So the card up here, if you don't know what ARV is or anything about that, go click that and watch that video. But let's break into what this perfect formula is and how we can do it. So the perfect formula is this exactly. It is going to be the ARV multiplied by 70% minus the repairs. What is the perfect formula? So if you want to write that down, it's very simple here. But that actually calculates the, I don't get all technical here, but the MAO. So the MAO is the max allowable offer. That is the most we should ever get the wholesale deal for. And that is 70% of the ARV minus repairs. Let's actually break down this formula really quickly here. So we need to first find what the ARV is. So if you don't know what ARV is, or you're new and you want to know, so this card right up here, click that and learn ARV and come back to this video. This is for people that know what ARV is, so we can create the perfect offer. So let's say, for example, our ARV here is 100 grand. I have terrible handwriting, guys, but I'm good at negotiating, talking to people on sellers, not writing things over whiteboards. But 100 grand is the ARV, and let's say, as a quick example here, you know, the repairs means about 15 grand. So we got some minor issues here. We might have a couple drywall issues. We might need to do something. Let's say 15,000 is the repairs. So what we need to do right now is multiply this ARV by 70%. We know for a fact that that is equal to $70,000. So let me erase everything here. So we know that the ARV times 70% minus repairs. So I'm gonna write this down here because repetition is the mother of success. I think that's how the quote goes. But so if it's basically 100K times 0.7, that is $70,000 minus the 15,000, that is equal to 55,000. Hopefully correct there, but I think I am. So that is the max allowable offer that we can actually give on the property. So we go on the appointment, we talk to them, we understand their issues, things like that. And we know that we need to probably start out a little less than this in negotiating, because usually they don't take our offer right off the bat. But we know if we get push comes to shove, let's say, for example, you know, I offer off the bat 40K for it. I build a rapport, I really squeeze the motivation, the pain with them. I start at 40,000, and they say, they counted me at 60. I can say, let's meet the middle somewhere, and you know, let's do 50,000. They say, yeah, I don't know. And I know the most I can get out there is 55,000 for this thing to be a deal. So this was a really quick and simple video, guys, on just creating the best offers possible. I could have done a 20-minute breakdown on this, but guys, I'm making this as simple as possible. this is how you do the perfect formula for creating offers on your real estate wholesale deals.